Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to check for null or none in Python. So let's get started. So first thing, there is no null in Python. So there is no such thing called as null. So here you can see, right, there is no null in Python. Instead there is none. So this is like the exact replacement for in Python, whereas in JavaScript we have null. So we'll be using none over here. So let me just define a variable. So let v be my variable. Let me just, if I have it as null and save it, and if I just run this program, I'll be getting this error because, as I said, null is not at all there in Python. So what we can do is, I'll just remove this. It is going to be capital N. It is not small n, it is capital N, and we'll be having this none. So if I run this exact same program, this time I'm not getting any errors. So in order to check if a variable is none, what you can do is, I'll just be having a if statement. If v equality, I'll just have none, and we just print variable is none. Alright, and if I run it, I'm getting variable is none. And another way of checking this is if v is none, saving it and running, I'm getting variable is none. So this is basically how you handle and check none or null, which is called in Python. So that's it for this video. Do check the playlist. I've also done many other tutorials in Python, C, C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, Spring Boot, CRUD operations. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.